4 years ago, Constitutional Court Justices Bess Nkabinde and Chris Jafta testified about how Judge John Hlophe had visited them in their chambers. At the time, they and their fellow judges had been deciding on then corruption-accused Jacob Zuma's court battles with the state.
He said there was a list containing names of people who were also implicated in the arms deal. He had obtained the list from the National Intelligence, and he said something to the effect that some of the people who appeared in the list were going to lose their jobs when Mr. Zuma becomes the president.
Jafta testified that Hlophe had told him, "We pin our hopes on you," in Zulu. But Hlophe denied any wrongdoing, and the JSC backed him, dropping its inquiry against him in August 2009. That decision spawned a series of court battles that ultimately forced the JSC to reopen the Hlophe investigation. Years after giving evidence against Hlophe, however, Jafta and Nkabinde seem less than eager to return to the hot seat. They say new laws demand that any complaint against a judge must be based on a written affidavit, which neither have provided.
The practical problem is the two justices that have direct knowledge of what happened in those meetings in chambers are not clearly willing to provide any complaint before the tribunal. Now, how do you rectify that?
The JSC says it will deal with that argument when the tribunal gets underway. Hlophe's lawyers insist that even if Jafta and Nkabinde return to testify, their evidence in no way implicates Hlophe. For the record, what is Judge Hlophe's response to allegations that he tried to improperly influence these two judges to make pro-Jacob Zuma decisions?
He was giving his opinion as a judge. He was talking to his colleagues. Judges discuss cases day in, day out in their chambers. It has never been an issue.
Gulu has also hinted that Hlophe may seek to recover the cost of his legal fees in this protracted saga, if and when the inquiry against him is dropped. Karen Moore, Johannesburg.
News that moves. eNCA.com.